For those of y'all that don't know me, if you do, welcome back to my channel. So today I have been seeing a million ads for Thredup, and honestly I was like, I'm so tired of seeing these ads. And I'm talking like YouTubers will like say they're doing like a thrifting haul, online thrifting haul, but then they'll actually be doing a Thredup haul and it's like a sponsored video. So I figured I would do a non-sponsored Thredup haul because I want to know if it's legit or not. And so far from looking at the stuff, it looks pretty cool. So I'm pretty excited about it. I hope you guys are too. Let's get into the details real quick before we start the haul. Okay, so I ordered 8 things from Thredup. My total came to $113.25. I had some kind of new person discount. I think it changes randomly, but it took $23 off of my total of $129.92. And then it says at the very top, yay, you saved $219.08. So I'm wondering if they're taking that you saved number off of what they would be full price, because these are majority used items. Let's see, my theme for this is kind of like work, summer, kind of all over the place. I used Pinterest a lot, and then when I was looking through everything, I used a lot of like either brands that I knew well, or I looked up like American Eagle, Boohoo, Nasty Gal, things like that, or I went to in someone else's cart and I looked through what other people had in their cart. So that's how I found everything. It took me like 4 hours to find all 8 of these items. Like it literally took me so long, so I'm glad it's gonna be worth it. So let's get into the little haul. As you guys can see, here is the box that Thredup came in. Actually, only a couple things came in this box. The rest of the items came in 2 other bags like this, and they have the strap or the seal on them so you can send them back if you need to, which is pretty cool. But it did come in 3 separate like things, but they all came within a day of each other, so that's kind of cool. I guess they all came from different areas. That's another thing too, but so far so good. So the very first thing that I got in the haul that came separate from everything else is this dress. I'm gonna show you guys the haul of everything. So if you guys saw my spring wear that I ordered online, I was obsessed with one of the dresses that had these tassels at the bottom. The only thing is when I washed it for the first time, it shrunk, and now I can't even get it over my butt. So that's exciting. But this is from Zara. It has a big, huge zipper on the back, and it's really good quality. It's really thick. This is perfect for work. It is short sleeved. So let's look at the details of this Zara dress. It also looks pretty long, so it should be very covering, which I like for work. So this says it retails for $46 and I got it for $26.99, or are they selling it for $46.99? I got a discount. Let's see. So the retail is the $46, which is 41% off, which brings you to $29.99, and I got a further discount for being like my first time order, and that brought me to $26.99. So there's that. I'm really excited about this dress, perfect for work, and let's get into the next item. So with the rest of it, I don't know what came in what bag. Half of it came in the box, half of it came in the bag. If you are someone that wears a lot of black and neutrals, you're gonna like this haul. Pretty excited about it, but I did get one accessory. Still haven't opened it yet because I wanted to show you guys the packaging. So everything does come in this polka dotted packaging, and it has a sticker on it that says let's stick together, secondhand first. So let's see. It's supposed to be just like a cute little makeup bag with stars on it. It's a lot. No, this is exactly what I expected, honestly. Kind of cute, kind of got like a marble look to it. I thought it would be good for throwing some stuff in my work bag and keeping it organized. You know, like your tampons and stuff. You know, feminine products. So I got it for that. It's really cute. I think this was only $5. Let me double check. Yes, so this was final sale and it came out to $8.99, but it was originally $35. So I am actually surprised that I bought it for $8.99. I swear I got it for less, but I'm happy with it nonetheless. Okay, the one item that I'm not really a fan of in this haul is this tank. It is really, I thought it was gonna be a different material. It's like, I don't know how to explain this material, like stretchy, spandexy. Not a huge fan of it. I thought it would be cute for work because we do wear black and white to work, and it has this little necktie on it. It's Banana Republic and in a size medium. I just feel like I got this for the weather right now because it is short sleeve, but I feel like this material is going to stick to my skin as soon as I get hot. So I don't know, I don't hate it, don't love it. Let's see how much I paid for this one. I actually had another one in the cart that was almost identical, only it was white. And I wish I got that one instead of this one, but it was $14.99, retailed for $45. And then I got two skirts. The first skirt I got is this grid looking skirt. It's like a very schoolgirl skirt. Honestly, don't think this is gonna fit me, but it might. I don't know, it has zero stretch to it whatsoever. It's got that like, is it pleated the right word? It's like folded around. It's really cute. Really like it, but it's gonna be too short for work anyways, even if I do get it over my butt. And it retailed for, I got it for $11.99. It retailed for $36. And then while we're at it, let's go into the other skirt that I got, which I'm really, really happy with. It is another kind of, you know, that plaid checkered, but this one's more of like an argyle print. Is that the right word? What's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, but it's really cute. It has the asymmetrical zipper on it that is real and actually works. And I just really like the length. I think this is gonna work well. I guess we will see. This one looks like it's gonna fit well. And it's just got little bits of red and brown in it. I feel like even with some tights for the winter and like a cute blouse, it would be really cute. So this one was Arizona Jean Company. It was $10.99 and it should have been, or it retails for $22. And then I got this shirt. Let me figure out what brand it is. This is Boohoo. So I got this from Boohoo and it is just a black button up with stars on it. If you guys can see the stars, I thought it was really cute to like tuck into something for work because I'm supposed to wear black and white, as I've said 8 million times. So this was, it's really simple. It's like that very typical menswear cotton feeling. I was a little bit more excited about this when I ordered it than when I got it in my hands, but it is a size medium and it's really cute. I mean, I don't really know how I'm gonna style it yet, but I got this for $15.99. I just wish it was a little bit different material. Another Boohoo item, because obviously I went through that brand, and I'm actually obsessed with this top. Like, I think it is so cute. I love cheetah print. It's a little bit cropped. It's got the tie in the middle, and it's just adorable. It's very lightweight as well. Might be kind of sticky to wear, but is a US size 6, so I guess we will see. And this one was one of the first things that I put into my cart. It was $17.99, retailed for $45. So heck yeah, Boohoo, love Boohoo. Very excited about that. And then the last thing that I got, another thing that kind of threw in my cart that I was really excited about, but then like, I'm still excited about it. I don't know. So I got this print. I feel like I'm really into this like print for this haul. I got this print blazer. I will throw up the Pinterest inspiration I had for this blazer. It's really cute. I wanted an oversized blazer that I could wear to work with a cute short dress under it with like some booties and like rolled up sleeves, like your business chic look. But it isn't too oversized. I did get it in a size medium, but the image did look a little bit bigger. So I was hoping it would fit like a large or something like that. But it does have a lot of stretch and it's really cute, and I'm not too sad about that. So let me look at the details on that for you guys. So this is Soho Apparel and it was $21.99, retailed for $54. So overall, I'm not too sad about it. It was free shipping as well, which I really enjoyed. It got here super, super fast. Let me double check. So they all shipped out on Tuesday. I mean, they got here within like a week, less than a week. So I was really happy with it. Everything was really clean. Wasn't too upset about it. I'm going to try everything on now, which is the styling part that you guys will have seen already. But yeah, so Thredup, all in all, I probably will order from them again. I had to really, really dig for these items. And while I do like them, I'm not completely obsessed with anything except for maybe the Zara dress. But I also am worried about how it's gonna fit. I feel like it's gonna be a little bit big. So there's that. But yeah, if you were looking for thrifting online, if you were into like secondhand buying or like not buying fast fashion, well, I guess this is buying fast fashion, but you're buying it from someone else, so I guess it's a little bit better for the environment, right? I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you guys next Thursday for another video, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.